Ah, Rome, the city of gladiators, emperors, and breathtaking history. A place where ancient ruins stand tall amidst bustling piazzas and the aroma of espresso fills the air. Many dream of wandering through the Colosseum, tossing a coin in the Trevi fountain, and indulging in delicious pasta dishes. But what about the budget traveler? Can you truly experience the magic of Rome without emptying your wallet? Absolutely. Rome, despite its grandeur, offers a surprising number of budget-friendly options. With a little planning and insider knowledge, you can easily explore the city's iconic landmarks, savor its culinary delights, and soak up its vibrant culture without breaking the bank. Get ready to unearth hidden trattorias, discover free cultural events, and master the art of navigating the city like a local. This guide is your passport to unlocking the secrets of experiencing Rome on a budget. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure. So pack your bags, grab your walking shoes, and prepare to be amazed. Rome in all its glory awaits. Finding the right place to stay in Rome doesn't have to drain your budget. The city offers a variety of options for the budget-conscious traveler.
Hostels are a fantastic choice for solo travelers and backpackers. They provide an opportunity to meet fellow adventurers and often organize social events.
For those who prefer a bit more privacy, budget hotels are scattered throughout the city. These hotels offer comfortable rooms at reasonable prices. Look for family-run establishments for a more personal touch.
Another popular option is short-term rentals. Platforms like Airbnb offer a wide range of apartments and rooms for rent, often at lower prices than traditional hotels. This is a great option for families or groups traveling together.
No matter your choice, remember to book in advance, especially during peak season. Consider staying slightly outside the city center for better deals. With a little research, you'll find the perfect home base for your Roman adventure. One of the joys of visiting Rome is indulging in its delectable cuisine. Luckily, you don't have to spend a fortune to eat well in the Eternal City. Street food is your best friend.
Grab a slice of pizza al taglio for a quick and delicious lunch. Don't miss out on supply. Fried rice bowls filled with mozzarella.
For a sit-down meal, seek out trattorias. These family-run restaurants offer authentic Roman dishes at affordable prices.
Embrace the aperitivo culture. Many bars offer a complimentary buffet of snacks with your evening drink.
And don't forget to visit the local markets. Stock up on fresh fruit, vegetables, cheese, and bread for picnics. Rome is a city steeped in history and culture, and you can experience much of it without spending a dime. Start your day with a visit to the Pantheon, a marvel of ancient Roman architecture. Entrance is free, and you'll be amazed by its iconic dome.
Next, head to the Trevi Fountain, one of Rome's most famous landmarks. Toss a coin to ensure your return to the city. Take a stroll through Piazza Navona, a vibrant square with beautiful fountains.
Another must-see is the Spanish Steps, leading up to the Trinita dei Monti Church. Enjoy the view from the top. With a bit of planning, you can fill your days with unforgettable experiences without spending €1. Getting around Rome on a budget is easy and efficient. The city boasts an excellent public transportation system. The metro is your best bet for longer distances, while buses and trams are perfect for exploring different neighborhoods. Purchase a Roma Pass for unlimited travel on public transportation and free entry to selected museums and attractions. However, the best way to experience Rome is on foot. The city center is relatively compact, and walking allows you to stumble upon hidden gems and soak up the charming atmosphere. Put on your most comfortable shoes and get lost in the labyrinthine streets. You never know what treasures you might find around the corner. For a unique experience, consider renting a bike. Rome has dedicated bike paths, making it a safe and enjoyable way to explore the city. You can cover more ground than walking and enjoy the fresh air. Just remember to wear a helmet and be mindful of traffic. No trip to Rome is complete without bringing home a few souvenirs. Fortunately, you don't have to empty your wallet to find unique and affordable gifts. Skip the tourist traps near major attractions and venture into local markets instead.
Campo de' Fiori is a bustling market where you can find everything from fresh produce to leather goods and souvenirs. Haggling is encouraged. Another great option is Porta Portese, Rome's largest flea market, held every Sunday morning. It's a treasure trove of vintage finds, antiques, and unique gifts.
For something truly special, seek out local artisan shops. Rome is renowned for its leather goods, ceramics, and jewelry. Look for workshops tucked away in side streets, where you can find handcrafted pieces at reasonable prices. These souvenirs will not only remind you of your trip, but also support local businesses.